Welcome. In front of me is an Oukitel C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from, for instance, your phone to an SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up the Files application. From here, we're gonna look for browser category, and let's see how we change the storage. Okay, so it's at the bottom. We have the SD card and internal storage. Now I will start with the internal, which is the phone, and in here you will find a bunch of folders. Now, to be honest, only a couple of them are important, so that would be things like DCIM, which will contain pictures and videos captured with the device. Then below that we have a downloads folder, which will contain anything that I have downloaded on the device, either to a web browser or email or so on. And then we'll also have pictures folder, which contains screenshots, and that's about all the important folders. So once you find what you're looking for, which for me, I'm going to be using the screenshots right here as an example, you want to select them, and you do so by simply holding the file. As you can see, it becomes checked, and then you can quickly tap on additional ones. Let me just redo that. There we go, additional ones to select multiple files at a time. And once you have your files selected, tap on the three dots right in the top right corner and select if you want to move them or copy them. I'll go with move option, and once you select one of those two, you will get the pop-up at the bottom, so you can select where you want to move or copy them to. Now they are right now on the internal storage, so I will select SD card instead, and as you can see, it's quite empty here, so you could just drop your files right here between the folders. You can tap on a folder to drop it inside of that folder, or you can create your own. If you want to create a folder by specific name, then simply tap right here, name it, and then move into it. But honestly, I won't be bothering with any of this, so I'm just gonna select move here. Let's allow, and there we go. They have now been moved. If I go to the SD card, you should be able to see them right here. And that is how you'd move any kind of file from one location to another. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.